The universe is all of space and time and everything in it, so there is nothing that is bigger than the universe. Some theories suggest the possibility of multiple universes or a multiverse, but this is still a topic of ongoing scientific study and debate. What is multiple universe? The idea of multiple universes, also known as the multiverse theory, suggests that there may be an infinite number of separate universes, or parallel realities, existing alongside our own. These universes may have different physical laws and constants, and could contain different versions of ourselves or different versions of reality. The concept of the multiverse is primarily a topic of discussion in theoretical physics and cosmology, and there is currently no concrete evidence to support its existence. However, some theories, such as the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics and cosmic inflation, have been proposed to explain the possibility of multiple universes. What is the disadvantage of multiple universe? The multiverse theory is primarily a topic of discussion in theoretical physics and cosmology, and it is not possible to confirm or disprove it with current technology. Some of the main disadvantages or critiques of the idea of multiple universes include lack of testability. The concept of multiple universes is difficult to test or observe, making it difficult to gather concrete evidence to support or disprove the theory. Lack of predictability. If the multiverse theory is true, it would mean that there are an infinite number of possible universes, making it difficult to predict what any given universe might be like. Lack of explanatory power. Some scientists argue that invoking the existence of multiple universes does not add any explanatory power to our understanding of the universe. It could be seen as a form of overfitting, where the theory is trying to explain everything and thus lack of focus and simplicity. That being said, it's important to remember that the multiverse theory is still a topic of ongoing research and debate, and many scientists continue to explore the possibility of multiple universes. What is the advantage of multiple universe? The multiverse theory is primarily a topic of discussion in theoretical physics and cosmology and is not confirmed or disproved with current technology. Some of the main advantages or potential benefits of the idea of multiple universes include solving the problem of fine-tuning. The multiverse theory could potentially explain why the physical constants in our universe seem to be fine-tuned for the existence of life, as it suggests that there may be an infinite number of universes with different physical constants, and we just happen to exist in one that supports life. Explaining the existence of dark matter and dark energy. Some theories propose that the multiverse could consist of different types of universes, including ones with different amounts of dark matter and dark energy, which could help explain the observed properties of our own universe. Explaining the anthropic principle. The anthropic principle states that the observed properties of the universe must be consistent with the existence of life, and the multiverse theory could provide a way to understand why this is the case. The multiverse theory could also provide a way to understand the wave function collapse in quantum mechanics by interpreting it as a movement between different parallel universes. It's important to keep in mind that the multiverse theory is still a topic of ongoing research and debate, and many scientists continue to explore the possibility of multiple universes. What is the history of multiple universe? The idea of multiple universes, or the multiverse theory, has a long history that stretches back to ancient times. The concept of parallel worlds or different realms has been present in various religious and philosophical traditions, such as in Hinduism and Norse mythology. In modern times, the idea of multiple universes was first proposed in 1895 by philosopher and scientist William James, who suggested the possibility of a plurality of worlds. In the 20th century, the multiverse theory gained more traction in the scientific community, with physicist and mathematician Hugh Everett III proposing the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics in 1957. This theory suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple branches, each corresponding to a different outcome of the event. In the 1980s, physicist Alan Guth proposed the theory of cosmic inflation, which suggests that the universe underwent a period of extremely rapid expansion in the first moments after the Big Bang. This theory also predicts the possibility of multiple universes, known as the inflationary multiverse. In recent years, the multiverse theory has continued to be a topic of ongoing research and debate in the scientific community. While some scientists find the idea of multiple universes to be a compelling explanation for certain phenomena, others remain skeptical of the concept and argue that it cannot be tested or observed. What happens if multiple universes exist? If the multiverse theory is true, it would mean that there are an infinite number of separate universes, or parallel realities, existing alongside our own. Each universe would have its own physical laws and constants, and could contain different versions of ourselves or different versions of reality. Keep in mind, however, that the multiverse theory is still a topic of ongoing research and debate, and there is currently no concrete evidence to support its existence. Many scientists continue to explore the possibility of multiple universes, but it's important to keep an open mind and be aware that it remains a theoretical concept. In conclusion, the concept of multiple universes, or the multiverse theory, suggests that there may be an infinite number of separate universes, or parallel realities, existing alongside our own. The multiverse theory has been proposed to explain certain phenomena such as the fine-tuning of physical constants, the existence of dark matter and dark energy, and the anthropic principle. However, the multiverse theory is still a topic of ongoing research and debate in the scientific community, and there is currently no concrete evidence to support its existence. It is important to note that many of the theories that suggest the possibility of multiple universes are based on speculative and unproven models, and more research is needed to confirm or disprove the existence of the multiverse. While the idea of multiple universes is intriguing, it is important to keep an open mind and consider alternative explanations for the phenomena in question. For more videos, stay tuned with us.